What is up, Internet? Rodeo 3 in the as usual. Today I'm going to be talking again about awesome product, love them, BudKups. If you have a PAX vaporizer, get it. It fucking makes life so much easier. Just drop one of these fucking cups in there. These are amazing. I love them. They come in this little tin. If you've seen the video, the product spotlight I did. But today I'm going to show you how to use them. They come in this. They're awesome. They're fucking great. So what you do, you buy the BudKups kit, alright? That'll come with 6 of the BudKups and your filling tool, filling machine, filler, whatever you want to call it. But this thing's really cool. Here's what you do. Lay it down just like that right there. Grab your BudKup. And gently take off that lid. Okay. And then you just lay these down in there like that till you get them all the way across. Okay, now that we got our cups in the filling tray, I recommend you use a grinder. It makes it easier, makes life easier, I'm all about it. The grinder I'm using is the Notch. They're a little pricey, but fucking get what you pay for, you know? So there you go. Pour you some of your plant material in the filling trough, whatever. And then very simple, you just drag it up over, let it fall into the BudKups. Just like a capsule machine, if you're familiar with the capsule machine at all. Okay, now here's the important parts, okay? Very fucking important. You can pack these down, okay? Pack them down a bit. About like that. Don't put too much fucking pressure on these things. Otherwise, you're not going to get a good hit, and there's not going to be enough room for the warmer air to flow around the plant material, vaporizing, making the magic happen, you know? So you want to pack these firm, full, not tight, you know what I mean? Just want to pat them down a little bit. About like you would a bowl, but a little bit looser. A little bit lighter than a bowl. Alright. And you can scrape your remainder in there just like that. Alright. And pretty much just repeat this a time or two until you're all full. And I'm barely pressing on this, like I said. Just minimal pressure, just like pretty much the weight of the tool with a tiny push from your hand. That's all the weight that it will need. Then top them off. Shit's frosty. Oh yeah, Frosty the Drew Man. He's as high as he can be. Oh man. So, we're getting to the point where you're going to just top them off. Top them off. And if you don't get it all in there, do not cram it in, okay? Now, after you get these all sorted out, it's topped off. Get that one there. Then you can drag your remainder back down to the reservoir area. That one can use a little bit more. Should be good. Good. Bitchin'. Alright. Hell yeah. Now, real easy way to cap these up. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Oh, you gotta put the caps up back on them and shit. Fuck that, I ain't doing it. It's so much easier than that. Just shut the fuck up and listen. Just kidding. Just kidding, y'all. Just kidding. I'm gonna show y'all the easy, quick way to do this shit. The right way. You'll notice a little notch right here. Okay? That is for this part of the stick. And what that does is that lifts up the BudKups just a little bit. See how I did that? It just pops them up just enough to where you can run down and put your caps on your cups. I actually find it easier to pick them up out of the loader tool. Put your cap on. And very carefully, because you don't want to bend these or anything like that. And sometimes over time, overuse and everything, the lip right there can start to flare out a little bit if you know, a little too rough with them or something like that. But that is easily fixed by taking a file and just filing it down just a little bit. Just a little bit. So, very important. Do not overpack these. You know, full, firm, not fucking tight, okay? Second important point for BudKups. Let it warm up an extra 10 or 15 seconds, okay? Yeah, you can start hitting your PAX vape whenever the light turns green. But you're really going to get the best hit from your PAX vape whenever you give it an extra couple seconds to heat up, you know? And the reason is because, well, you got another layer of metal here for heat to go through and everything like that. But trust me, it's worth it. It's worth the wait. Another thing that's worth the wait is waiting on BudKups to arrive at your door. That means you can buy them online, motherfucker! What are you waiting for? Just kidding. Hey, I actually got mine off Amazon. I got the whole set for 50 bucks. Fucking killer. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And I'm actually going to buy another set of just the cups. I already got the filler tool, so I'm just going to buy another set of the cups. I got 12 cups. Booyah! I'm good for like a whole fucking road trip. Well, the first couple hours of a road trip. Oh, hell yeah, yeah. Now, I guess we'll, I'm going to finish capping these up, and then we're going to toss one in the PAX. See how she does. Okay, we got our PAX 2 vaporizer. That's what I have, a PAX 2. PAX 1 is great too. BudKups will work in both the PAX 1 and 2, not in the 3 though. 3 is a little bit different. So, very simple. Open up your oven, like that. Now, the screen in the PAX, you don't need that shit anymore. Pop that fucking screen out and just toss the cup in. Look how clean this fucker stays. Like, for real. Like, can y'all see that at all? Yeah, look at the clean. That's fucking clean, y'all. And I've already ran, like, probably 12 or 18 cups through this thing. It stays very clean this way. And very simple. You just take your full fresh cup. Drop her in the bottom. Just like that there. Cap it. Turn it on. Now remember, we did not fill these too tight, okay? Packed them full and firm, not too tight. We'll press our button on top so the PAX will start powering on. And we're just going to wait for this here light to turn green. And then we're going to wait an extra 10 seconds. And then we're going to get a hell of a rip off of it. Hell yeah. So I'm going to speed up the video right now.
So my voice is going to be really high-pitched, and it's going to sound very funny, but it's going to happen really quickly, because it's going to be running at like double or triple the speed, whatever the fuck it is. Either way, we're just sitting here, burning time, waiting for this motherfucker to turn green so that we can wait another 10 seconds and then get an awesome rip. Yeah! Damn it, it's still not green yet. How much more shit can I talk? Okay, well, hi, I'm Roy L3, I'm a Capricorn. I like long walks on the beach, and I enjoy hamburger helper. Actually, I don't. That was a lie. And I don't live anywhere near a beach. Okay, it's kind of went tits up. All right, come on, come on, come on. Give me some green, give me some green, give me some green. You know what, we're just going to skip ahead.
Okay, there she goes. Just turned green. So now we're what? A second in, 2 seconds in now? 3, 4, 5 seconds in? 6, 7. Call it 8 seconds. 9 seconds, and we're ready to go. That's all it took. A little bit of extra time makes a world of difference. Beautiful. I love it. Fucking love it. Perfect. Oh, every time. Ooh. That's the first time I smoked today. That's nice. Yeah. All right. gonna press the button, click her off. I'm good for now, y'all. Hell, I'm gonna go watch Letterkenny. I probably will, actually. Hey, make sure you follow BudKups on Instagram. And definitely check out their products online. I love them. They're a great product. I stand by it. I'm going to keep using them. They're fucking great. Hey, thanks for checking out the video, y'all. I want to shed some light for you. I want to show you an awesome clothing company that's got some pretty killer wares. All right, go to SmokeyJ.com and use promo code ROYDL3. You save 15% off your purchase and you get some fly-ass fucking gear. That's what's up. Also, make sure to follow him on Instagram at SmokingJ420. Follow him. I'm RoyDL3 signing off. Peace and love, y'all.